town and tell the people. Yard style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright now peeps, so we out here today. We're gonna look some Irish mash. We're gonna make some punch, you see me? Yeah man, so we're gonna make some real Jamaican Irish mash punch. See me I say? Yeah man, so stay tuned for that part there. And the general out here on some Irish mash right now. You don't know. Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so reach home and thing. See the Irish mash and I'll get them clean up and wash off and things seen. So I get some water in that pot here. Put them in there, go and clean them up, you know. Wash them off and thing. So yeah, I put everything in this first. Then we clean them and put them back on this. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, so people that want ya, we call that one a sea moss. Irish moss now kind of different, look different from this, and the final leaf one of the Irish moss, you know. Yeah, so that one ya the sea moss. Yeah, but we Jamaican we just call it Irish moss same way. You see me? Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so see it here. Yeah, get rid of the grass, them have fight and the sand and them thing there. Yeah man, clean it up nice and clean, so see it there. It's a one piece. Yeah? Alright, watch that one now. Alright, so watch the piece here. So these are the things that we want to really get off it, alright? These are not sea moss. So see what we are get off. And there's some sea grass and thing. So see there, sea grass them there. You can see the difference, look. Alright, so we are get rid of them off it. And clean it up nice. Very nice. Alright, and if you look inside here so now, just touch the screen. Yeah, so, and if you look inside here so now, you can see say there have some sand inside here, so them are where we are trying to wash out of it and things, see there? Yeah. So wash out them here, and we still have to wash them a couple more times again as well. So eventually we will get rid of all of them, the sand them and thing. See? Yeah, so and when you're done with that, if it does look clean, see that? It does look clean. No grass on it and them thing there. Alright? So yeah. Let me see the water clear up now, I know so yeah. Good, and then we just lay it out back on this, and tomorrow morning we go put it in the sun to go and dry, alright? Yeah man. So stay tuned guys. Alright, so see me I load up some water in the pan. So we'll throw back these in there. Throw back all of that inside there. Alright, so give us some washer now. Squeeze and rub while I wash. Turn off the pipe, I don't want something there, you know, float out, you know. Nah, waste none. if you look good in the water, you can see the debris them float over here, so see them here. Yeah man, so them there we want to get a fight, alright? Yeah. Over here, so. Wash it. Okay. Follow me. Put them over here, so. Yeah. Alright now peeps, so this is it, you know. Them well clean up and thing, you know. So don't know. Evening time, you know, the sun kinda gone down and things, so in the morning I go put it out in the sun. See if I can make them go and dry and thing, you see me? Yeah. And then after that, you know, see what really I go take place with this Irish mass or sea mass, I should say. This is one of the Irish mass. This is the sea mass. Alright? That the Jamaican people say Irish mash. But it's Irish mass. M-O-S-S. Yeah, not mash. Yeah. So I eat these people. Looking good. Alright now people, so this is what it looks like after it gets some sun and thing. Yeah man, it becomes white out, a bit white out and thing. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna rinse it off, I'm gonna get it in a container and make it go and soak. Alright, yeah man, so I'm gonna make it soak overnight and thing. So I'm gonna make this soak, and then after it soak now, then I'm gonna boil it and then get to the rest of the process. Alright, so stay tuned. The outside, and a lot of things can drop in it and things, so make sure we give it a nice little rinse off and then we get it soaking. Alright, so we may go soak it in. Alright, get them nice. Not too much. I think that is enough. So guys, stay tuned and thing. Don't know after the soaking process, we'll catch you back. Alright. Alright now people, so I go on here, you know. Put it for soak overnight and thing. So I will get it boil up and thing, you know. You get me I say? Yeah man, so it soak overnight. And see there. Yeah man, if you notice the liquid in it get thick. Yeah man, so that means it go on good. So I get it on the stove now for boil up and thing, alright? Yeah man. Stay tuned guys. So I go on there. Boiling process. Don't know, you can see it get soft, you know. A lot of steam in the pot, so I don't know if I go see so good. Alright, see that clear up liquid. Alright now peeps, so see it a boil on and thing. Look thick, it get thick up and everything. Yeah man. So what I did was soak it overnight as I showed you before. Then take it out of that water, rinse it off and then boil it, alright? So see it a boil and mash out and everything. So I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg in it, alright? Yeah man, so after I finish grating the nutmeg in it, I'm gonna get back to you and make you see what I go on, alright? Yeah man, so after I finish grating the nutmeg, I get back to you and make you see what I go on. Alright? Yeah man, so see the nutmeg here. So I'm gonna grate this in it, alright? To get a little of this flavor in it as well. Yeah man. Alright now peeps, so if you look carefully you can see the nutmeg. When I grate a float on the top. Yeah man, I didn't stir it up because I didn't want you to see what I go on. Yeah, because I have to hold the camera and all of that. Alright, so yeah man. And you can smell the nice flavor come out. The nice flavor come out right now from the nutmeg. So this is go nice man. When I add all the ingredients to it, I tell you say it now go normal, it go nice. Yeah man. Yeah, right there so. You know people, so I start straining it out already and thing. As I showed you before, I gotta get some lighting because the lighting never so hot a while ago. So let's get back to this training now. Yo, the punch have a wicked. I tell no lie. That go bad. Right, Kelani? Alright. Yeah, people are Kelani and the light man, you know. He might hold the light, you know. Yeah. Yes, and it smells like Irish mushroom I buy a shop, you know. So it smells nice. Roast with the nutmeg flavor. Yeah. This one, as I said before, is called sea mash. Sea mass. The Irish mash more fine, some fine strands. As you see, that one is more leafy and fluffy. Alright now people, so see the one from last night. So this is the Irish moss gel. So don't know, that is what it looks like after it cool down and thing. You put it in the fridge. So the Irish moss gel, you know, well ready for blend up with the rest of the ingredients and thing. But I gotta work this morning. So I go take out some of it, then to bring in blender cup and thing, and we just make some punch in the day at work. Alright, so stay tuned for that part there. Alright now people, so see I go cut out some of the gel and load it in the bottle. Well gel up in a man, like a jello. Look at that. Wow. See the piece? I want it drop, you know. Yeah man, so that in my blender with the rest of the ingredients, then you're good to go. Just I'll take out about half of it because I know when I start blend up this, the body I go want some. So just put as much in the back as me you can. Yeah, so I think that's good enough. Let me look a jar almost full and one thing. So yeah peeps, Irish mass gel. So now see about this. I'm not gonna bring this guy work. Alright? This can make a portion. Alright now my viewers and subscribers, as you can see with their work right now. I'm gonna blend up some punch right now, share with my crew member them and thing. Yeah man, it's a beautiful day out here in Jamaica, race with it and things. So when I get to the blending you know, give everybody a cup of blend up, you know, Irish mass punch or sea mass punch. So I'm gonna blend up something you know, alright? So catch me over the blender. Alright now people, so see what I go on here. So we have the blender. So a blender cup. Now we have some milk. These are the Irish mash. Suppligent, dragon. We have peanut and oats. So then we are going to blend up you know. So when I get to the first cup you know, watch this. I blend up. Now I Trisha get the first one. So mash in there. Green, I'm going to bust some milk after me. See knife there so. Mash. Get a little suppligent. Alright. This is a dragon. Dragon in it. I get a few peanut because we don't want the peanut to we don't want to overwhelm the mash. So we don't put no whole heap of peanut in it. That's why you taste the Irish mash taste you know. Trisha first taste you know. This must have got up to 1 cup. Sure. Even little more jack and strong him up. Yeah, so see we are lock up the blender cup here, you know. Make sure you not cross thread. Everything nice. Alright. Beautiful. So see it there? This is a mash, you know. So make sure you lock it properly. Then plug it in. That's over there. So watch what go on now people. Right. Come in mad so you cut there. Alright, let me throw it in and then yeah, that in there too you know, it blend up in there already. So see it you know. Alright. Yeah, I get the whole of it you know, but this is for you. So yeah, I go test it. Let me put more water go on. Mad sauce. See your taste. So much your taste. I don't have taste.
Oh, it's taste. My way it tastes good. Me have to done it. Me have to done it. It tastes really good.
Alright, teamwork. The rest of you. Ice. So I drop because we are gonna deal with it right away. Now have the time to put it on the fridge. We just drop a couple pieces of ice in a blender same way. Make it cool. Alright. So this is the next one. Alright, so now I tap that so. Yeah man. Heat the next blend again. The blender feel cool. Alright, so see it there?
Oh Lord. Yes man, you ready? Nice and fat. Never.
Yeah people, so couple people get them drink and move already. So this is our left, so one day for Dempy, one day for me and the rest of people them, alright, so I eat this. Yeah people, see it here, you know? Yeah. Where you say it's here, Greenham? Where you say it's here?
Bad man, look at
Where you say your back look?
real thing, you know?
Yeah.
The back, you know? Yeah. Oh, official.
You don't get none. Where there? And dash you where you get none.
Two down in the show.
Give me none. I must dash you where you are, man. Where you say?
Yes,
I eat that?
strong back. Second Sundays.
Ah.
Third, fourth, and fifth in one.
Yeah, man. A triplet is because it's nice. Play. See the camera. Body off. Hey! The tallest man get out of short cup and the shortest man get out of tall cup.
You know, alright, let me explain why I do it that way then. Me not talk, but me I go explain it.
Yeah.
Back off.
Alright, back up.
Stand up. Alright, people, look at this.
And look at this.
People, look at that.
No.
Yeah, people, so hope you enjoy that one there. We go check out that one thing. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright? Yeah, man. Real, natural Irish mash we call it, but a sea mash this. Sea mash different from Irish mash. Irish mash are the finer one, and that one are the broad one. Alright, so we'll do another video on that one. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Let's see what I say.